Hi, Casey Berman from Leave Law Behind here. So happy to have you back in one of this week's videos. I want to talk today about curiosity. This is something that I know I've gone through times where I wasn't very curious. I was focused on work. And it's something that I have sparked recently in my life now at age 43. Part of it was due to my son and my daughter, who are ages 7 and 10. They've got questions about everything. My son is asking about animals and endangered species and plants and gardening and you name it, R2D2. My daughter is a huge reader and is asking me about English words and about concepts that she's reading about and about synonyms and about fantasy books. She's reading Narnia and on and on and on. And I've got answers for some and some I make up. And I just really realized how curious my children are. Now, this isn't going to be a video of, go back and be a child again. I mean, I realize why they're curious. I'm 43, they're 10 and 7, and they've got more questions than I do about things because they haven't seen as much as I have. But is that really true? I mean, I'm 43 years old, and you're 33 and 35 and 48, and however old you are. And it really hit me that we have lost a lot of our curiosity. We don't ask that much. And this isn't because we're older and we're no longer kids, but I think it has to do a lot with the fact that we are attorneys, and really asking why a lot of the time about really broad ideas and things that interest us is something we just don't do that much anymore. Sure, we ask why to a client of why you did this or help me understand the facts and things along those lines. That might be when we say why, but we don't ask why about things that we're interested in that often. We focus on obviously paying the bills and taking care of our kids and all the stresses of life. But also as an attorney, we're about risk mitigation and we're about, CYA and we're about getting over defeats and we're about hiding because we don't want people to think we're a fraud and don't know the recent law. And we're about being on the good side of our boss and the partner and not being in the middle of a tirade he or she may have, and on and on and on. And so what I want to encourage us to do now is to realize and see if we have lost some of our curiosity about life, but particularly about who we are, about our self-worth, about what we can do, about what we're interested in. Because once you're able to do that, once you're able to kind of reconnect with your curiosity, then you kind of reconnect with yourself. You reconnect with your unique genius, those skills and strengths and traits and enjoyments that you have that are unique to you. You reconnect with what you want to do in life. You reconnect with what you really enjoy. And that really is the basis of leaving the law. This is all about reconnecting with ourselves. Because the reason there is even leavelawbehind.com is because so many of us have kind of taken this detour. We're on our path. This is where we need to be. But in many ways, we've taken a detour from who we really are. I encourage you to reconnect with your curiosity. Read everything that we have at leavelawbehind.com. And if you're interested in talking about this more and seeing how your curiosity and who you really are can drive and inform how you transform your life for a non-law alternative job, click on the button below. That'll lead you directly to me. And we can talk and start working together through my course and my online coaching to help you not only spark your curiosity, but to transform your life as to how you probably wanted it before you took the LSAT. Thank you so much for being part of the leavelawbehind.com community. So happy you're here. I hope this is helpful. I'm Casey Berman, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.